Our next fun project was getting to redo the boys' room. Thatcher and Thane have been big buddies. They have dressed similarly, dressed alike, sometimes even dressed like twins. Thatcher is in the blue in the middle. And here they are in glasses. Sometimes people have a hard time telling them apart if they have wet hair, but that's Thane. And really short hair. Thatcher's the tallest one there, and Thatcher's the one with the green jacket with the long hair here. So the first place we started was the bathroom. We took down the pirates and mermaids. Okay, the bathroom just needs a little freshening up, maybe, since it's already the beach theme, maybe one of those. I'm not sure what that is. That's a toothbrush holder. Or maybe some of these blue and white striped towels. I like those. I think those would last. But I'm not gonna get this because it's got orange in it. And their bathroom is blue. And they do need another bath mat. I don't know, let me look. I like that a lot. Even though it's upside down. Let's see what this is. This one matches the soap holder. So if I just bought like one mat, I don't know which one I would like the most. I like the shark. Let's see. I think that's really cool. If the door can open around it. So I might just buy the shark and a couple of towels to freshen it up. And this. We already had their bins, their canvas bins where they put toilet paper and all of their washcloths and things like that. And then their mama printed off these scripture verses that have the oars, the canoes, things like that. Just a little more, not as young looking. And she found these frames and put them on the wall. We're not quite finished painting in there, but we liked the lake theme for them. They have grown up on their Khaki and Pop's, their other grandparents' lake, doing all kinds of fun things with Pop driving them in the boat and going tubing on the lake with their dad in the hot Florida sun. Here they are in the cold Arkansas winter looking at the swans on a lake. So that's a good theme. Okay, I'm on the Lego aisle at Target and I'm looking for the green and the blue base plate. Because I'm thinking this is the best bet for two boys' bedroom. I'm gonna put the green and the blue on the wall. I just don't see it. I've never bought it. I don't know what I'm looking for. So I may just get that online. Thane would rather have anything Star Wars room like this. But we're just gonna go completely Lego room. Okay, I found it. That's what I want. I'm gonna mount it on the wall, probably put it on board and let them build Legos from the wall out. For the boys' room, I was thinking just navy. They wanted fish, but nothing like that kind of look. Of course, out of space. If it were up to me, that's what we would do. But I'm thinking the only option for them that looks 8 years old and over, it's not gonna be in this aisle. Maybe if they were 5 or 6, we could do something like that. But I'm thinking Legos. Lego room, Lego curtains. Just get the cheap curtains off of Amazon. And I think they'll be happy. I'm just looking for something like a Lego rug to work Legos on. I don't see anything. There's Super Mario. Minecraft and Super Mario would have been cute, but I'll just try to think of something that would be boyish enough for a rug. See, it can't be thick like this or you can't work Legos on it, I don't think. That's really cute. I think Ezra has that. I don't know, Minecraft. What do you think about Minecraft? You think they would like that? Okay, I'm at Mardell. These are $149, $109. I don't think they really want a football field, so I'm gonna get a bunch of these for $7.99. I'm gonna get 6 of those and have those sewn together if I can at an upholstery place. It's the only thing I know to do. We'd seen this Lego wall at the Discovery Museum and I was trying to duplicate that. This is the before David painted the walls. They have a huge closet that they have plenty of room for, and their room is plenty big. Thatcher had a sports nursery, and he had let me arrange all of his toys with stickers on the bins, but he wanted to do it himself this time. Thane didn't have a nursery by himself, but he loved fire trucks and insects.
We'll have to go between.
Just inside.
The nodule has to go inside it, yeah. I got little brass finishing screws. Same thing on the bottom.
Y'all can play checkers.
Yeah, but giant checkers.
Yeah.
Or we could play Lego tic-tac-toe. I'm opening the last one. No. Oh, Dasher, we can stick them in sideways and then pretend it's a cliff.
The boys needed canvas bins for this wall cabinet. They had decided, since they love art, they love canvas painting, they love everything like that, that they needed an art corner. So we got the navy blue bins, and Thatcher started painting. He almost has it all filled up. This is their reading corner for now with the Lego rug. They have these sheets from Pottery Barn and this bedspread, but they're going to probably just have it on the navy blue. And then we got these Lego hooks for them to put their backpacks on and things like that, towels, whatever, and their daddy put that up. They have clamp-on lamps from Lowe's that they can read by. It's all coming together. Is it too bright?
It may have more than one setting.
It's just an on-off. I don't know if there's a...
Yeah, it's an on-off.
This is the book room we showed you in the girls' redo. They got this sign from Etsy. Their mama found it, and their mama found this boys' reading corner sign from Etsy too, for the boys' bookshelf. And the boys shopped for plants for theirs. They're really happy with their plants. Thatcher and Thane have been such a blessing in our lives, and we had a blast doing their rooms.